Alright, and welcome back to episode 11 of Learning to Draw, where we will be doing lesson 14 of You Can Draw in 30 Days, the Lily. So with our tools prepared, let's jump right into it. We'll start with a gentle S-curve. Let's see if I can't do this. Let's do a little bit. There we go. That looks good. And then we'll just connect it on the other side with something similar. A little bit more of a hook on the top and bring it down in. There we go. Let's try to get it a little more even. There we go. And then we'll just do a oval or a foreshortened circle around this right here. So let's see if we can't do it in one stroke. Too big. Want it going just over the top. Close. Let's touch the side up a little bit. We want that going out a little more and hooking in. Okay. With that, we hook this down a little and we'll just, our lines here, and we want a gentle curve. And we'll keep this curve. We want this one to kind of go in a little bit. We want to get it narrowed. There we go. Just a bit of a curve, and we will place a little bit on the top here. Switch back to our pencil, and we want like a little wave at the top. Just a single little spike. Give it a little bit of main protagonist hair. Then we will hook this down here to create the bulb. And I think it's a little too small to use my pinky, but basically we'll want kind of like a pinky shape right here for that little thing that's always in the middle of lilies. Give it a little curve and then kind of bring it in. Don't want it straight. Okay. We got our bulb, so what we'll do is we'll give it a real thin, because I got real, not quite that thick, just real thin little stem. Then a couple S lines coming off the side for some leaves. Let's get rid of this little bit of extra right here. And that too. Bring this out a little more. Kind of follow it down. And do the same thing over here. So we'll do our S curve. Kind of like we did when we were doing the flag. In fact, let's do it like that. And we'll do one way out here. Well, let's get that one a little lower. This way they aren't sitting directly on each other. Then we'll just go ahead and we'll follow this. Give it a cut there. There. Just a nice deep cut. Make it look like it's wrapping. And the same thing here. That'll give us a couple leaves. That leaf isn't very good. But then again, I'm not very good at this. And with that, all we have left to do is a little bit of shading. Might extend this up just a hair. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. That looks better. Okay, so all we have to do is a little bit of shading, and as always, I will fast forward through that. Our light source will be up over here again, as usual. But I hope you learned something. If you'd like to stick around and see how the shading goes, thank you. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.